In this video, we are installing our custom replacement stair treads. Replacement treads are designed to make stairway upgrades simple by sliding directly on top of existing stair treads. Standard replacement style treads have a 1/2 inch thick body and a 1 inch thick nosing. However, they can be customized to your specifications. Before you can begin installation, it is necessary to submit your replacement tread dimension form. This form takes into account every detail necessary for your new replacement tread. For this installation, you will need to provide your Stair Supplies engineered tread drawings, a miter saw, a circular saw, a flush cutting saw, a finish nailer, a shop vac, construction adhesive, a combination square, a tape measure, painter's tape, and a Sharpie or a pencil. Step 1. Reveal the substructure. Many homes that utilize replacement treads have carpet over the top. If this is the case in your home, remove the carpet. The goal is to reveal the sub-treads underneath. Remove any nails and thoroughly clean the area with a shop vac. Step 2. Check your drawing. Now that your sub-treads are exposed, consult your Stair Supplies engineered tread drawings. Make sure that all your treads are accounted for and that they match the dimensions on the drawing. This will remove any chance of error during installation. Step 3. Remove tread nosing. Once you have consulted your layout drawing, it is time to remove the nosing on the existing treads. Using a combination square, measure the distance from the front of the riser to the front of your existing tread nosing. Mark that distance on your existing tread. Make sure to do this on both the right and the left side to see if there are any discrepancies, especially if the existing tread is a split tread. Take a level and draw a line between the 2 points. Then, cut through the nosing with a circular saw. You may find it beneficial to set the depth of the saw 1/8 of an inch lower than the depth of the nosing. Finish cutting the nosing with a flush cutting saw. We recommend this over a reciprocating saw as it gives you greater control. After making your cuts, remove the sawdust and debris with a shop vac. Repeat this step for each of the existing treads. Step 4. Mark and cut your treads. Now that you have removed the nosing, it is time to install the replacement treads. Beginning with the first tread, mark the length that needs to be cut off. Each tread should be measured and cut to length individually since stairway widths will vary from one step to the next. If this is a double return tread, then you will not need to make any further cuts, as it has been manufactured to your provided dimensions. As a pro tip, we recommend using a piece of scrap wood that will push the tread out at the return area so you can properly scribe the skirt before cutting. This will help give you an exact fit and cut for your tread. Step 5. Install your treads. In some cases, you may need to install risers before installing your new treads. If this is the case, use construction adhesive and finish nails. After this, install the treads with construction adhesive as well. It's important to apply construction adhesive on the top and front of the nose of the sub-treads of the stairs. Use 1.5 inch finish nails to attach replacement treads. Repeat this step for each of your treads. Thanks for watching this video on how to install your replacement treads. To learn how to install the rest of your stair system, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/stairsupplies or visit our website at stairsupplies.com.